because he's going to be offering a Shaktipat meditation on the Chowpatty beach. And he said, first of all, you have to come at 6 a.m. for an amazing meditation, which was, of course, dynamic meditation.
Oh, of course.
Being held on Chowpatty beach. So I was initiated into dynamic meditation, which I adored. And that was very soon after followed with the Shaktipat. And the Shaktipat blew my mind fully and completely. It just, I was never the same again. And because Osho rarely offered Shaktipat, so I can describe it if you would like.
I have not received Shaktipat directly from him, but Swami Anandarun, who is his living medium, Bodhisattva Swami Anandarun, of course, you know him. He has initiated me. So I would love you to describe Shaktipat for my audience.
I will describe how Osho did it.
Yes.
Because, of course, every master has their own way of offering Shaktipat.
Yes.
So this is Osho's very specific way. First of all, Chinmayaji was there.
Oh, okay.
And he was describing to us how to go into it. He said, hold the marigold flower in our hands. And there was casts of Osho's feet, which were golden color. And he said, you hold the flower and you pour your ego into the flower. Ego meaning all your suffering, your attachments, your miseries, whatever creates separation in you. Pour that into the flower. And then you offer that flower to Osho's feet. I was very scared, actually, because I thought, oh my God, it sounds like a cult. And what is that offering to somebody's feet? You know, I was coming from the Western background. So we had been indoctrinated about fear of cults and whatever.
Yes.
So I was a bit scared about it. But I said, okay, I can't understand something unless I try it. So let me experience and then I can decide. At least first I should experience.
Yes.
So I offered the flower to Osho's feet. And it was literally like a thunderbolt came through me from the crown chakra, penetrating my whole body. And it was just pure light. It was so powerful. And I couldn't believe such a thing could happen just by offering to somebody's cast of their feet, you know. So then after that, Osho appeared on the podium.
Oh.
There was about 100 people there. And the instruction was to look into Osho's eyes and to offer him all of our suffering. So it became an incredible bedlam. People were screaming, howling, crying, just giving him, pouring all of their suffering. He had his arms raised and he was simply receiving it. And I thought, like, how is this possible? What human being does this? This was not even charged for. No payment was given for the Shaktipat. He was just standing there offering himself to receive the suffering of all these people.
Who does that?
Who does that? Nobody does that. So that really shocked me. The other thing is, he was the embodiment of pure divine masculine, but simultaneously divine feminine.
Yes.
I felt this fusion of masculine and feminine in one person. And that was incredible. I had never met such a being who can simultaneously embody power and strength and love, compassion to such an extent. After 20 minutes of releasing our suffering and agony and giving it to him, he then invited us to lay down and he bathed us with so much love and compassion and guided us to feel the divine penetrating us, circulating within, feel the bliss, allow it. Oh my God, I just went into such an expansive state of bliss and ecstasy. And